A two-wheel alignment, also known as a front-end alignment, is a service that adjusts the angles of your vehicle's front two wheels. It ensures they are aligned according to the manufacturer's specifications, allowing them to work together for a smoother ride, better handling, and even tire wear. While some vehicles require a four-wheel alignment, many front-wheel drive cars, trucks, and SUVs only need a two-wheel alignment to maintain proper wheel positioning and maximize performance. At Rice Tire, we specialize in professional two-wheel alignments, using state-of-the-art equipment to keep your vehicle driving straight and your tires lasting longer. How does a two-wheel alignment work? A two-wheel alignment primarily focuses on the front wheels and involves adjusting three key angles. Toe, the inward or outward angle of the front wheels when viewed from above. Proper toe alignment reduces tire wear and improves straight-line stability. Camber, the inward or outward tilt of the wheels when viewed from the front. Incorrect camber can cause uneven tire wear on the inner or outer edges. Caster, the angle of the steering axis, which affects high-speed stability and cornering performance. When these angles are properly adjusted, your car will handle more predictably, reduce tire wear, and improve fuel efficiency. Who needs a two-wheel alignment? Not every vehicle requires a four-wheel alignment. Many trucks, older vehicles, and front-wheel drive cars with a solid rear axle only need a two-wheel alignment. You likely need a two-wheel alignment if your car is a front-wheel drive vehicle with a fixed rear axle. You have an older vehicle that doesn't allow rear wheel adjustments. You recently replaced your front tires, suspension, or steering components. At Rice Tire, our technicians will inspect your vehicle and determine if a two-wheel or four-wheel alignment is the best option. Signs that you need a two-wheel alignment. Ignoring a necessary wheel alignment can lead to handling issues, poor fuel efficiency, and expensive tire replacements. Here are the most common signs that your front-end alignment is off: uneven or abnormal tire wear. Check your tires. If you notice excessive wear on the inner or outer edges, your wheels may be tilted at the wrong angle. This leads to premature tire failure and reduces tread life. Tip: regular tire rotations and alignments at Rice Tire will help maximize tire life. Vehicle pulling to one side. When driving on a straight, level road, your car should not drift to the left or right. If you find yourself constantly correcting your steering, your front wheels are likely misaligned. Steering wheel feels off-center. Your steering wheel should be straight when driving on an even road. If the logo on your wheel is tilted or off-center, your vehicle needs an alignment. Loose or sloppy steering. If your steering feels loose, unresponsive, or unstable, an alignment can help restore proper control and improve handling. Vibrations in the steering wheel. Misalignment can cause vibrations at higher speeds, making driving uncomfortable and increasing wear on your tires and suspension. What causes front-end misalignment? Your front wheels can become misaligned for several reasons, including hitting a pothole or curb. Even small impacts can throw your alignment off. Normal wear and tear. Over time, suspension components shift, requiring periodic realignment. Replacing tires or suspension parts. Anytime you change these parts, you should check your alignment. Carrying heavy loads. Extra weight can stress your suspension and alter alignment angles. How often should you get a two-wheel alignment? For best performance and longevity, most manufacturers recommend a two-wheel alignment every 6,000 to 10,000 miles, or at least once a year. However, you should schedule an alignment sooner if you feel your vehicle pulling to one side. Notice uneven tire wear. Experience loose or unstable steering. Hit a large pothole or curb. Replace your tires, shocks, or steering components. Regular alignments prevent costly repairs and ensure your tires wear evenly, saving you money in the long run. Two-wheel alignment versus four-wheel alignment. What's the difference? Two-wheel alignment adjusts the front wheels. Only four-wheel alignment adjusts all four wheels. Two-wheel alignments are usually for front-wheel drive vehicles with a solid rear axle. All-wheel drive and four-wheel drive vehicles require four-wheel alignments. Proper alignment on any vehicle improves handling. It ensures correct tire wear and reduces overall cost of owning your vehicle due to reduced wear and tear. At Rice Tire, our team will inspect your vehicle and recommend the right type of alignment based on your vehicle's make and model. Here's why drivers trust us. State-of-the-art computerized alignment equipment. Over 2,400 Google reviews. Can't be wrong. Voted best place to buy tires. Multiple locations in Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Washington, D.C. Fast, accurate, and affordable service. Frequently asked questions about two-wheel alignments. Can a two-wheel alignment fix my pulling issue? Yes. If your car drifts left or right, a front-end alignment can restore straight-line tracking. How long does a two-wheel alignment take? A typical two-wheel alignment at Rice Tire takes about 45 minutes to an hour. Do I need an alignment when I get new tires? Absolutely. New tires should always be paired with an alignment to ensure even wear and maximize longevity. What happens if I ignore a needed alignment? Skipping an alignment leads to faster tire wear, poor handling, and lower fuel efficiency. How much does a two-wheel alignment cost? Prices vary depending on the vehicle. Contact Rice Tire today for an accurate quote. Schedule your two-wheel alignment at Rice Tire today. Your wheels play a crucial role in your car's safety, handling, and fuel efficiency. Don't wait until you experience steering problems or excessive tire wear. Schedule a two-wheel alignment at Rice Tire today for a smoother, safer ride.